see. Seagate really put a lot of effort in protecting the hard disk. This foam so thick. Wow, look at the foam, it is so thick. This is good. Wow. So good. Wow. Really, people are very happy. Customer are giving so beautiful foams. Goodness, this is great. How many layers of foams they're putting into protecting a hard disk? Wow, another one. It's very thick. Great. If you have a defective hard disk, bring it back to Seagate and they will gladly replace you with another one, beautifully wrapped. Because they want to make you a very happy customers. Look at that. Look, this is how they prepare the package and send to you via UPS. Compared to other people who just use bubble wrap, this one is using foams, really thick foams. Make sure the vibration is less when it is transported to your home. Look at that. Really, thank you to Seagate. This is a replacement hard disk. The one that I have was 40, and really thank you to Seagate. The packaging is very good, wrapped properly in very thick foam. This is very good. Sustain. Subscribe to my YouTube anytime. Bye.